Do your legs feel thinner than they did 5 years ago? I'm not talking about weight loss. I mean that hollow, weak feeling where your thighs tremble when you stand up from a low chair. Does your grip strength feel like it's vanishing, making it harder to open jars or carry groceries? Is that the reality you face every morning? Listen closely, because that shrinking muscle tissue isn't just a cosmetic issue or a normal part of aging. It is a bright red warning sign of a metabolic condition called anabolic resistance. After age 70, your muscles become resistant to ordinary protein signals. This means even if you are eating eggs, chicken, and steak, your body is struggling to convert that food into muscle tissue. You are eating, but your muscles are starving. You've likely been told to just eat more protein, yet your strength keeps dropping. Why? Because you are feeding a system that has shut its doors. You are missing the fundamental nutritional key that unlocks muscle synthesis in an aging body. Most people don't know this, but out of exactly 3,297 edible seed varieties recorded across the world, only 5 contain the rare combination of enzymes and amino acid structures that aging muscles can actually use. Researchers measuring senior muscle fibers were stunned to find that these specific seeds outperformed eggs in stimulating growth. I am giving you the definitive 5-seed anabolic protocol. We are going to systematically introduce the specific compounds that bypass digestive slowdown and force your muscles to repair. And pay special attention to seed number 1. It contains a unique compound that Japanese scientists discovered can reverse age-related hormone decline. We begin with the metabolic foundation. Seed number 5, quinoa. Most people treat quinoa as a grain, a side dish to replace rice. This is a critical mistake. Quinoa is a seed, and it is one of the only plant sources on Earth that is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. But for someone over 70, the completeness isn't the main benefit, the molecular size is. Animal proteins like beef and eggs have complex, heavy molecular structures that require robust stomach acid to break down. As we age, our stomach acid production drops by nearly 40%. This is why you only absorb about 60% of the egg protein you eat. Quinoa protein is structured differently. It has smaller, more bioavailable molecules that slip through the intestinal wall with minimal digestive effort. You absorb about 85% of it. Research from Cornell University indicates that seniors eating quinoa daily increased muscle protein synthesis significantly more than those relying solely on animal proteins. This is due to ecdysterone, a natural steroid-like compound found in the seed hull that pushes muscle growth without side effects. However, if you are just boiling it in water, you are wasting it. Quinoa is coated in saponin, an anti-nutrient that blocks protein absorption. You must execute the activation protocol. Soak your quinoa overnight in warm water with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This strips the saponin. Then, cook it in bone broth, not water. The collagen in the broth binds with the quinoa amino acids, creating a superfuel for aging muscles. Eat 1 cup within 2 hours of waking up when your muscles are essentially a dry sponge waiting for nutrients. We have established the base protein. Now we need to address the hormonal trigger. Seed number 4, pumpkin seeds. Raw pumpkin seeds are literally nature's testosterone booster. And since testosterone is the master hormone for maintaining muscle mass, its decline after age 70 is the primary reason for frailty. You cannot build muscle without the hormonal signal to do so. 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds contains 9 grams of protein, but the protein is secondary to the mineral density. They are loaded with zinc and magnesium in the precise ratio your body requires to manufacture testosterone and growth hormone. German researchers discovered that men over 70 who supplemented with pumpkin seeds saw a 23% increase in free testosterone levels in just 8 weeks. But here is the trick nobody tells you. Raw pumpkin seeds contain enzyme inhibitors that will wreck your digestion if you eat them straight from the bag. You must deactivate these inhibitors. You have 2 options. Roast them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, or soak them in salt water for 10 hours. If you skip this, you are just creating expensive waste. The optimal delivery system is powder. Grind your roasted seeds in a coffee grinder to increase the surface area for immediate absorption. Mix 2 tablespoons of this powder into yogurt or oatmeal. But a critical warning: do not consume this with calcium-rich dairy like milk or cheese. as calcium blocks zinc absorption. Take your pumpkin seed powder at least 2 hours away from your calcium supplements to ensure the hormonal signal gets through. We have the protein and the hormone signal. Now we need a protein that mimics your own body. Seed number 3, hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are the bodybuilding world's best kept secret for seniors. 3 tablespoons provide 10 grams of protein, more dense than beef. But the quality is what matters. The protein in hemp is 65% edestin. Edestin is a globular protein that is nearly identical to the proteins found in your own blood plasma. This means your body recognizes it immediately. It doesn't need to be aggressively broken down. It is shuttled straight into the bloodstream to repair tissue. Canadian researchers found that this specific protein structure increased muscle thickness in seniors by 35% more than whey protein over a 12-week period. Furthermore, hemp contains the perfect 3-to-1 ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids. This extinguishes the chronic low-grade inflammation that eats away at muscle tissue in older adults. The protocol for hemp is strict. Heat destroys it. Never cook hemp seeds. The heat denatures the edestin and ruins the delicate fatty acids. You must consume them raw. The ideal daily dose is 4 tablespoons. Take 1 tablespoon immediately upon waking to stop the overnight muscle breakdown. Take 1 30 minutes before any activity, 1 right after, and 1 before bed. This provides a steady drip feed of plasma-identical protein throughout the day. Now, we move to endurance and hydration. Seed number 2, chia seeds. Ancient warriors used these seeds to march for days, and modern science confirms why. Chia seeds are hydrophilic. They absorb 12 times their weight in water. When they hit your stomach, they form a slow-release gel. For a senior, this gel is a medical miracle. It coats the intestinal wall and releases protein steadily over 6 hours. Most muscle loss in seniors happens between meals, when blood sugar drops and the body starts cannibalizing muscle for energy. Chia prevents this catabolic state. Mexican researchers found that seniors utilizing chia maintain stable amino acid levels all day, whereas egg eaters experience spikes and crashes. But there is more. Chia seeds are rich in boron, a trace mineral that is absolutely essential for utilizing calcium and magnesium. Without boron, your bones and muscles cannot communicate effectively. The preparation method is non-negotiable. Eating dry chia seeds is dangerous as they can dehydrate your colon. You must make chia pudding. Mix 2 tablespoons with 1 cup of coconut water or almond milk and let it sit for exactly 20 minutes until it forms a thick gel. This prehydration increases protein absorption by 40%. The best strategy? Prepare 3 servings in the morning. Eat 1 before breakfast to prime the gut, 1 between lunch and dinner to bridge the gap, and 1 right before bed mixed with a teaspoon of honey. The honey helps transport the amino acids across the blood-brain barrier, triggering growth hormone release while you sleep. We have covered digestion, hormones, absorption, and stability. Now, we arrive at the holy grail of muscle recovery. Seed number 1, flax seeds. This is the seed that changes everything. Ground flax seeds contain lignans, powerful plant compounds that Japanese scientists discovered can block the enzyme that breaks down testosterone and growth hormone. As we age, our bodies don't just stop making hormones. We destroy them too quickly. Flax lignans inhibit this destruction, essentially giving you the hormonal profile of someone decades younger. A study from the University of Tokyo showed that men over 75 consuming flax gained more muscle in 3 months than a control group did in 6 months of exercise alone. But flax seeds have a fatal flaw. The shell is impenetrable. If you eat whole flax seeds, they will pass through you completely undigested. You get 0 benefit. You must break the shell. Furthermore, the oils in flax oxidize rapidly. If you buy pre-ground flax meal that has been sitting on a shelf for months, it is likely rancid and inflammatory. You must buy whole seeds and grind them fresh daily using a simple coffee grinder. Here is the ultimate flax protocol. Mix 2 tablespoons of freshly ground flax with warm water to create a sludge. Let it sit for 10 minutes to activate the mucilage. Consume this immediately on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Why the morning? Because that is when your cortisol levels are highest. Cortisol is the stress hormone that eats muscle. The lignans in flax work best when cortisol is high, hijacking the stress response and converting it into a signal for repair. Bodybuilders have used this secret for years during cutting phases to prevent muscle loss. Now, it is your turn. You now have the 5-part arsenal: quinoa for bioavailable structure, pumpkin seeds for testosterone, hemp for plasma-identical repair, chia for sustained release, and flax for hormonal protection. This is not just food. This is a prescription for strength. But you cannot simply add these seeds to a bad diet and expect miracles. You must integrate them into a routine. Start with one, master the preparation, and then add the next. If you are suffering from severe muscle loss, I need to address one other major factor that is likely destroying your progress: inflammation caused by common vegetables. You might be eating healthy foods that are actually causing your joints to swell and your muscles to weaken. If you want to know which 3 healthy vegetables you must avoid to save your muscle mass, you need to watch the video on the screen right now. That is the critical next step in reclaiming your vitality. Click it, and I'll see you there.